today I'm here at the MGIT Institute, primarily to address the students about the Entrepreneurship Awareness Drive program. And students, our young youth is the next generation of entrepreneurs, which is going to be a huge vast of pool. And I'm here to share my 14 years of IT, my experience as an entrepreneur of last 12 years. And I wanted to share my thoughts, my journey, and how that can be some of the key learnings out of these 14 years, which can actually help them in a better way. And some of the ideas which I shared was, obviously an entrepreneur need to have risk-taking ability. The belief, self-belief is the second most important thing, and risk-taking ability is the most important aspect which an entrepreneur need to have it. And a lot of times, ideas no need to be coming from somewhere else in the moon. It's like the ideas are lying with you. The day to day you're actually facing the problem. That could be a big business opportunity. And in fact, Mera Events was born up like that. When I moved from US to India, and when I was planning to attend a lot of events, there was no way to find events, and that's how Mera Events was actually born up. And while you're working with the business, obviously more and more opportunities comes on the way, and you can actually take up. And the best best learners are from the customers. They teach you how to do it and what to do it. As long as you're focused, committed to the job, committed to the activity, things will happen. And a lot of times, in order to be an entrepreneur, one important thing is the most, do at one time and having a focus. A lot of times, if you want to be, you're working on a job and you want to be an entrepreneur, it's very difficult to success in both. Instead, you have to come out of your comfort zone and then, start working on as an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a long journey, and you need to have a purpose of the business, and you need to understand what are the shortfalls as a weakness of you, and then surrounded by the remaining team members, because at the end of the day the business is all successful, not just the idea, it is the team matters a lot. And because business requires sales, marketing, leadership, vision, idea, so many things, but you need to know what you are good at and surrounded by the people who are lacking in the skill set, whatever it is. And when multiple people coming together also, you don't need to start two techpreneurs as coming to a business. Rather, you have a good sales guy, good marketing guy, good sales and finance guy. If you come together, good technology guy, then the business can be more successful. So simple, like another thing is business is simple. It has to be simple. The more you make the business simpler, the better you could able to grow as a business. And these are some of my